Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome. In this particular video, we are going to be finding out which programming language you should learn as a beginner. So if you're planning to kickstart your career in programming, then I will be guiding you which programming language will be best for you as a beginner. So let's just find out which programming language you should learn as a beginner. Before starting this video, I want you to like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. This video is sponsored by GetSetCode.studio. GetSetCode.studio is a new generation e-learning platform where you can learn about different programming languages, as well as you can learn about new emerging technologies and also projects. All the courses on GetSetCode.studios are based on some kind of hands-on experience, and you will be also working on some projects at the end of each course. So you will be not only learning about the basics of that particular programming language or technology, you will be also working on some real world projects using that. You can see that there is a course on Python Pro where you will be learning about Python programming language from very basics to an advanced level, with more than 25 plus real world application projects that you're going to be building throughout this course. There is another course named Learn to Create Face Recognition Door Lock with Raspberry Pi, and there are plenty of other courses that you can take a look at here, and they are providing different variety of courses on this platform. So if you are interested in that, then you can check out the first link in the description to know more about these courses. So now back to the video. So the other day I was surfing on the internet and I was curious about like how many programming languages are there right now in 2022. So I just did a Google search, and according to Wikipedia, there are in total 700 programming languages available right now in 2022. And it was quite difficult for me to recommend you a single programming language to learn in 2022 to kickstart your career in programming. But after my thorough research and my personal experience, I will be recommending you a single programming language that you need to master in 2022 as a beginner. So it will help you to kickstart your career in programming. That programming language is none other than Python. Yeah, you heard it right. It's Python. So there might be a question in your mind that why you should learn Python programming when there are 700 other programming languages that you can learn from. Because of its simple syntax and user friendliness, it is one of the most popular programming language in the world right now. So I will recommend you the Python programming to kickstart your career as a beginner with programming. So whenever any of my students ask me which programming language should I kickstart my career with, I recommend them Python because of its simple syntax, and also it is user friendly as well. So whenever we write code in Python, it is similar to writing a code in English or a sentence in English. So it is very easy for newbies to understand the syntax of Python and also do different operations in Python programming. And the learning curve of Python is also very simple. Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world, and it is used by millions of programmers around the globe. Did you know that big tech companies like Netflix, Instagram, Facebook and others are using Django framework at the backend of the website? And interestingly, Django is a Python-based framework. Also, Python is the language of choice for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, deep learning, and also you can do different automation tasks using Python, and also it can be used for scripting. You can also build different games using Pygames library of Python, and also it can be used to develop different websites using Flask and Django framework. Not only that, you can also create GUI application using PyQt5 library or the Tinker library of Python. And this use cases list goes on. So for beginners, I will definitely recommend to go with Python programming. And the average salary for a Python developer in USA ranges between 80,000 US dollars and goes up to 120,000 US dollars. Isn't it exciting? So now I think you have a clear idea why you should learn about Python programming. So that was it for this video. If you liked the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. So that was it for the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.